Welcome to this comprehensive guide on AWS Amplify sign-up flows. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. In this tutorial, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to implement sign-up flows using AWS Amplify. First, you need to create an AWS Amplify project and install the required dependencies. You can do this by running the command amplify init in your terminal. This will create a new Amplify project and install the necessary dependencies. Next, you need to configure authentication in your Amplify project. You can do this by running the command amplify add auth. This will prompt you to select an authentication provider, such as Amazon Cognito. Follow the prompts to configure your authentication provider. Once you have configured authentication, you can implement sign-up flows in your application. To do this, you need to import the Amplify library and use the auth module to handle sign-up. You can use the sign-up method to sign up a new user, and the sign-up confirm method to confirm the user's email address. For example, you can use the following code to sign up a new user. Create a new user object with the user's username, password, and email address, and then pass this object to the sign-up method. To handle sign-up confirmation, you can use the sign-up confirm method and pass the user's username and confirmation code to the method. You can get the confirmation code from the user's email address. Best practices for implementing sign-up flows include using secure passwords, validating user input, and handling errors. You should also use a secure protocol, such as HTTPS, to encrypt user data. In conclusion, implementing sign-up flows with AWS Amplify is a straightforward process that involves configuring authentication, importing the Amplify library, and using the auth module to handle sign-up. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using best practices, you can create a secure and scalable sign-up flow for your application.